The first forensic test was developed in 1840 to detect arsenic. Arsenic was a popular poison in the 19th century. It was sometimes known as inheritance powder because poisoners could easily bump off their relatives without leaving incriminating evidence. In 1832, a chemist called James Marsh testified at the trial of a poisoner. Marsh knew John Bodle had used arsenic, but he couldn't present convincing evidence in court, and the guilty Bodle went free.
Before Marsh, there was an extremely simple test for arsenic. All you had to do was to pass hydrogen sulfide through the suspect solution, and what you obtained was a yellow precipitate if arsenic was present. The problem with this was that if you left it for a few hours, the solution would basically go colorless and you had no precipitate left. And therefore this was useless for presenting to a jury.
Angered by Bodle's later admission of guilt, Marsh developed the first test for arsenic that would stand up in court. You take a sample, in this case wine, laced with a few grams of poison, and heat it with acid and zinc. The arsenic in the wine can be revealed by heating the gas that comes off. The poison produces a stable, silvery metallic deposit.
And this is the clincher. We have a thin layer of metal on our porcelain dish. This proves that there was arsenic in the wine, and this became the poisoner's downfall.
The Marsh test was still used until the 1970s.